Hello everyone and welcome back to our channels. Shoppers, in today's video we will guide you through the process of buying items from temu.com. Of course, one of the leading online marketplace in 2023. Temu.com offers a wide range of products from electronics to fashion and everything in between. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to shop with ease, so let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first step is to open your preferred web browser and visit the temu.com website. For me, I'm just going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you prefer or you have on your PC. Once you open that, go to this URL section, type temu.com and hit the enter button. Of course, and once the homepage is loaded, you will have to go or to make a purchase on temu.com, you'll need to go and create your account. Look for the sign up option or register button on the homepage. You'll find it here at the top right corner and click on it to create your account for yourself. And of course, you'll have to go and fill the required informations, including your name, email address, and passwords. So you have to follow the prompt and of course complete the registration process by your own. But if you have an account, you can find a sign in option there also. So click on it and you'll be logged in into your account. Once you logged in into your account, you just created your account, you will find yourself here with this homepage. So once you're logged in, you can start browsing and searching for the items you want to buy. You can use as an example the search bar right here. And of course on this search option, you can type whatever products that you would like to browse and search for. You can enter, of course, the keywords related to the products you're looking for. You can also browse through like different categories or check out the feature products on the homepage. As an example here, you find a lot of products and even sections that you can choose from. Of course, when you find an example of products that you're interested in, you can simply click on it to view more details about it. As an example, just go and choose this products. You can even click on a quick look, and as you can see, you'll be able to see items details and pictures about it, details and the size. You can know how quantity you want, and you can even add it to your cart. Of course, from here you'll be able even to see similar items. You can go and compare the price of the same item, as you can see if you find it, of other people, or you can go and check for other products, but like this light. You can even go to this item purchase together, and here you'll find like items that can be purchased together from this item that you choose here. So when it's transferred for you or shipped for you, they will be shipped together, and you will not need to wait a time between the more than one. So as an example, once you choose whatever suits you, of course, you can, as I said, read the product description and specification, and even read the customer review of available. You can take note of the price and available sizes or option and shipping information. And of course, if you decide to purchase whatever item you want here, you can simply, as I said, click add to cart. So first, let's just click on this item as an example. This will open as a new tab. And as we said here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the reviews about it. So there is a lot of reviews. As you can see, the average is 7 points, 4.7, which is a pretty decent rating, depending on 700 or more than 700 reviews. As you can see, there are reviews with photos, as an example, or people who buy again. And you can even see like the low rating reviews and see why they're rated like so badly. As an example, this one, the light is great, very bright, but it does not stay stuck on the wall. So maybe it's just a problem with the stick. And of course, this one, the lights are small. It's ports capable of for charging. It's too short and charging almost does not last 1 hour. So as an example here, you can see all the negative feedbacks and see the buy again feedbacks with photos feedback and even the recommended feedbacks if you want to. So as I said, make sure to go and check for this shipping if it's available on your country, as an example. So this product has a free shipping on all orders, and courier companies will be USPS, UPS, and On Track, LaserShip, USD, UDS, Uniuni, and 8 other options. As you can see, you'll find this from here. So the delivery time will be like from 8 days from now, 8 days to 12 days. And of course, it's free on all orders. So, of course, from here, you'll be able to see like when approximately you'll receive it. So make sure to go and check that by your own on any And of course, as we said, you will be able to read the description and everything else about our products. Of course, you can go and check other products for the same thing. Example, this product, you can go and check for the shipping. As you can see, this will charge you for the shipping, description, reviews or feedback, and companies that will send you. Of course, some of them will be free and some of them will not. So, depending on the products. And of course, as I said, if you decide to purchase the item, you will have to simply click on add to cart. As an example, let's just go to this and click on add to cart. As you can see here, you'll have to go and choose like the type of it. So color warm or white, white. Let's just choose the best version here or the big version. And of course, we will be able to see like images of it here and click on add to cart. As you can see, it's added to carts. You can even add more than one, or you can simply choose the quantity from here that you would like to add to carts. Of course, if you choose, it will be added directly. And of course, you can continue shopping for more items or proceed to checkout, and you can review the items in your cart to ensure everything is correct. So, as an example, we can go and grab some other items. As an example, let's just go for this hoodie and click on add to carts also. And let's just choose black, XL as an example, quality 1, add to cart, and nice. Now, of course, let's just go and review the cart. So simply we'll have to go and click on it. And as you can see, we'll find here the items on the cart. So that is added like before even starting this video. So here you can change the quantity to 1. And here, as you can see, you will find the amount that you will have to pay. So of course, you can click on Express Checkout with PayPal. You can pay with PayPal if you want. So if you click on PayPal, as you can see, if you click Express Checkout with PayPal, you will have to log in into your PayPal right away. And of course, once you're logged in into your PayPal, you will simply have and click on Pay Now, and you will pay as soon as that. If you didn't want to pay with PayPal, you can click on Checkouts here and can click on Continue to Checkout. And here you'll have to go, as you can see, we accept Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, and as you can see, all those options like Cash App, Google Pay, Apple Pay, a lot of other options. So choose whatever suits you, enter your informations here, then click on Continue to Payment and choose the payment that you want to choose. Enter your debit card or informations of your bank and go and pay. Of course, on the checkout page, you can review the order once again, enter the shipping address as I told you here before, ensuring it's accurate and completed. Of course, some websites may offer like multiple shipping option or some products, sorry, not websites. So choose that one suits your need. And of course, you can select your payments or preferred payments method, as I said before, from the available option. And Temu may accept a lot of options. And before placing your orders, take a moment to review the final details, including the total cost, shipping charges, and any application or applicable taxes, and ensure that everything is correct. And once you are satisfied, click on Place Order and confirm the purchase button to complete the transaction. And of course, after like placing your order, you should receive an order confirmation email from temu.com as an example on your email. So simply go and check for that, and you'll be provided with a tracking number to monitor the status of your shipment. And you can typically find this information in your account dashboard as well. And then you will have to go and wait for your delivery. Of course, if you have any concerns or question about your order, you can reach out to the temu.com customer service for assistance. And if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully learned how to buy items from temu.com online in 2023. Enjoy your shopping experience and the convenience of online retail. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more online shopping tips and any other tips on this channel you'll find this. So thanks for watching and happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.